Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm studying dual field children's and adult nursing. I originally wanted to do French and Spanish and go on to do international law, but my friend was doing D of E and she went to go and do voluntary work and she asked if I'd go with her. And while I was there, a patient told me not to do languages, that I was a born nurse and I was so gentle that it would be a waste if I didn't go and do nursing. I chose to do both children's and adult nursing because I'd done work experience with both and I enjoyed working with both. And at that time I didn't know which I'd prefer as a qualified nurse, so I didn't want to restrict my options. And in doing both, I think it'll help me if I want to work in A&E or travel abroad as well. If someone was considering nursing as a profession, I would suggest that they try and get some work experience, that they attend open days and talk to staff, that they really get a sense of what nursing is, because there is a lot to nursing and to the role of a nurse. And if they do want to do it, I would suggest they do it because it's very, very rewarding. I chose Southampton because I really wanted to do the dual field course, and I knew at that point that Southampton had a really good reputation. So for me, there wasn't any other choice of uni that I would have even considered. Nursing doesn't just encompass one thing. You're not there to just solely care for the person physically and in the setting they're in. You need to consider them holistically, consider their spiritual needs. You're an advocate for them, you have to talk to the family, to the patient, support the people around them. There are just so many things that a nurse does that I think a lot of people don't think of as a nurse's role. I aren't completely sure what I want to do when I qualify. I would really like to go into flight nursing. I think that would be really interesting. But I do want to do things such as IV training and train to do cannulas when I qualify and gain those core skills before I go on to do something like flight nursing.